On today's menu, the easiest way to make delicious, crunchy, fermented pickles.
There is absolutely no reason to buy pickles that are packed with preservatives when you can make your own amazing pickles.
Bring 3 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of salt to a boil. Wash. Dill, garlic, cucumbers, pickling spice, chili flakes, garlic, hot salted water, dill, hot salted water,
Make sure you're leaving about 1 inch of space up top.
twist on the lid lightly. Leave in room temperature for 3 to 7 days, then transfer to the fridge.
The hardest thing about this recipe is waiting. Just smells absolutely incredible. So I was at a party and I was chatting it up with a Polish lady. At the end of the party, she gave me a jar of pickles. Always make friends with the Polish ladies.
You can now make these amazing pickles with absolute confidence.